Hello there, it's Tania Gabrielle, Wealth Astro-Numerologist. Welcome to your weekly Astrology Numerology forecast for May 5th through 11th. Now this forecast is for all signs. We cover highlights coming up in the stars and numbers in the following week. And we begin with Monday, May 5th, 5/5/2025. This is such an exciting day numerologically because May in 2025 is a 14 universal month. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So 5/5 is actually a triple 5 day, since May also resonates to the root number 5. And that means it is a time for change, for decisions. It's a pivot point. This is all about adventure and freedom and liberation and exploration and exploring the five senses and taking a risk, being open-minded. It's a day of fast-paced energy, lots of movement. So just go and explore and be original and also connect with others. 5 is the number of communication and connection in people. And know that the whole date, the universal date, adds up to 19 today, which is about new beginnings. 19 reduces to 10. 10 reduces to 1. So there's a lot of mental energy, ideas, inspirations, and a fresh start in the code today. And in the stars, it's even more exciting. We have Mercury sextile to Jupiter, which is so wonderful for receiving a wealth of ideas and enhancing optimism. And it really helps with any kind of negotiations and contracts and talking, communicating about your future. Jupiter is so excited about, again, branching out and expanding and doing so with a lot of joy. So your enthusiasm for what is to come really allows you to make proactive decisions. And remember, in the numerology, this is a day of lots of small and big decisions. So you can really communicate and express yourself beautifully, passionately, joyfully. And then the other highlight this week happens on the next day, Tuesday, May 6th. Now, this is a much calmer day. 6 is a very nurturing number of love and family and taking care of yourself, making sure that you connect with the earth. And it is Taurus time, so this is a beautiful combination. And then the whole date adds up to 20, which reduces to 2. Also a very calm number of balance. So these two numbers, 6 and 20, which reduces to 2, compassion, cooperation, diplomacy, sensitivity, art, music, creativity. It's a gorgeous day of love and romance and nurturing and sharing your heart. And it also activates abundance as long as you listen to your intuition and take that time to put yourself in the other person's or other perspective's point of view and being of service in some way, some capacity. So like I said, abundance, financial transactions, all favored as well. Now, what I love about May 6th is that Venus is sextile to Pluto. Venus rules Taurus, and Pluto is really the planet of the moment here as we move slowly into the Aquarian age, and Pluto recently entered Aquarius. So Pluto sextile Venus really enhances love, passion, attraction, magnetism, and translating that magnetism into manifesting prosperity and manifesting empowerment through kindness, through beauty. So it's a beautiful, it's somewhat of a paradox if you only think of power in terms of power over others or being stronger than others. It's not that at all. It's being empowered from within through the magnetic connection to beauty and sensuality and pleasure. So love and romance are definitely intensified. Nothing is superficial about this transit because Pluto always goes to the truth. It reveals secrets which have been hidden. It's the ruler of Scorpio, the modern ruler. Pluto helps you align passionately with Venus, beauty, abundance, and love. And so that means you're going to want to know what the actual truth is no matter what, right? So that means you're very open to progressing and empowering yourself through growth. So it's a really wonderful time as Pluto gets enhanced, right as Pluto is stationing and moving retrograde, meaning Pluto's at a standstill, Venus comes in, and Venus is so in charge right now. It's a wonderful time for Venus. Venus recently became a morning star. Venus is the ruler of Taurus, the sign we are moving through right now. So it's a really big week for Pluto to get reacclimated. And that means it's a wonderful time to explore Pluto and to understand the power of Pluto's impact right now, all the way through 2044, when this is the length of time Pluto stays in Aquarius. And to help you with Pluto's incredible impact on the world and on you personally right now, I have a brand new masterclass, Pluto in Aquarius, Astrology Shift for the Ages. And you can get instant access. It's absolutely free at shiftfortheages.com. Now, what you'll discover is how Pluto personally impacts your life, meaning what to look for, how to prepare, how to use and leverage the stunning freedom and power frequency, which is Aquarius and Pluto. And we'll look at the 11 previous Pluto and Aquarius periods in history, in the past, because history gives us an unmatched perspective on how this period might evolve now. How might it unfold? So we'll get wonderful guidance. And then we're going to use an ancient astrology forecasting technique that's over 2,000 years old to see how we can unlock the forecast for Pluto and Aquarius for the future. And finally, we'll look at the most recent period from 1777 to 1798, which was so big, intense, life-changing. And we'll see what it tells us about the likely outcomes for the current Pluto and Aquarius period from 2024 through 2044, and so much more. And again, it's all free. You can get instant access at shiftfortheages.com. Enjoy that. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you in next week's forecast. Lots of love.